Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney, trading. I wanted to show you this trade because we're getting ready to start this Forex Auto Trader piece, and I just wanted to show you a trade I'm in. I just got in it recently, earlier today. As you can see, we're on the day chart on the US Swiss. The resistance, well, here you see it's a downtrend. And then you see it's an uptrend here. But it hit this resistance area. And I'm in the trade. I have two trades. I got in it at 10, both at 003, 003. So around this area. I wish I would have got in it earlier, but I didn't do a pending order. I just saw it coming. I got in it on this candle right here. And then it went up some more. Now it's starting to come that way. But that is it's at resistance. So I expect it to come down tonight. And my first take profit will be here. But I'm looking at it to come down to this area here. We'll see. It may not. It may, because it's kind of like this trend is up, then down, then up, then down, then up again, but tapering off. So let me make it smaller and see. Yeah, see, what does that look like? It's like the trend is down here. Trend is up. So it looks like it's on an uptrend. I see that the trend, but even though it was down here on the day chart, let's see what it looks like on the week chart. Definitely an uptrend. Came up here. Well, look, it's down here. Downtrend. Downtrend. Uptrend, definitely. But it's tapering off in this area here. So even after a month, it's in a good resistance area. I mean, in a week, on the week. So this says this goes up and down. You can't really figure out what's the trend. So it looks like it's just hitting resistance and support. Here, resistance. Here, resistance. Here, resistance. Higher resistance. Lower resistance. Here's a support area. Support area. Support area. So it's definitely at a resistance. So we can make money coming down. We'll see how much money we can make. It may come down to this line, go back up, or it may break this support and come down. We'll see. We'll just follow the trade. We'll look at it tomorrow and see what happens. But I'm in that trade. I'll be in it overnight. My stop losses should be in this area here. Do a 0099, 36. My stop loss should actually be over this area. Or I may get in another trade. That'll be a 10. 17. Yeah, I think I'll put my stop loss somewhere in here because I really don't want to be in it if it's going to reverse on me. So I'll put it at ones right in this area here. 10087. Put my stop loss. What I'll do is take my take profit, my first take profit at 1.9976. And as you can see, oh, it gave me both of us. Okay, both the positions. Okay. I'll take my profit here. That'll be cool. Okay, so now I'll leave that alone and I'm done. I expect it to come down in this area. And it probably won't come down any further than that, because it's hit this area around here. This seems like a strong resistance, support right in this area. So I'll stop right there, because it looks like it's on the uptrend for a couple of days. Each candle represents a day. So looking at this trade, it's actually a reverse trend trade. So I expect it to come here, retract about here, then go back up. So if I made it bigger, you could actually see it better. Yeah, it's an uptrend. It's definitely an uptrend, but it's at a resistance. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to go past this area 5 times before it broke here. So this is probably some news that made it come up like this. And it played in that area, then it was a sell-off down to here, then the trend started up again. The uptrend. This is definitely a downtrend here. So, see if I can catch some pips coming back. That's what we're looking at. So I got my position, so I'm going to just leave this alone. I'm done until tomorrow. We'll get back to it. So look for our new company coming. It's coming soon. And we'll be dealing with robots where you'll be doing some of this. We'll train you on some of this. But we'll be having robots doing trades for us. And we'll be getting picks too from some other software that the company has. So look below, you can sign up, because we got about a week left for you to get in so you can have the robots for free. And a robot for free for a month. You can try it out. And you can get into our back room where we'll be doing trades, making some things happen also. You will have an auto trader that's doing the trades for you, which we are very excited about. It's like having a trader in your own basement. Okay? So peace.